If you don't like math but still need to run a business, then understanding accounts payable is a must. Picture this. You own a bakery. One day you buy flour on credit from a supplier for $500. The supplier gives you 30 days to pay up. That $500 you owe? That's your accounts payable. Accounts payable is just a fancy term for the money your business owes to others for things you've bought on credit. It's short-term debt that you need to pay off in the near future. Think of it like this. Your bakery gets the flour now, bakes all those yummy pastries, sells them, and then pays the supplier back within 30 days. Easy, right? So next time you hear accounts payable, just remember, it's like an IOU from your business. Simple and relatable. Keep those payments on track, and your business will keep running smoothly. Got it? Great. Now you're one step closer to mastering business lingo. Keep learning. Remember to subscribe to our channel, Accounting Simplified. Hit the like button, share, and comment. See you again.